welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the most requested video of all time, which is my skincare routine, and I'm so happy to do this video that I'm going to share my intensive, very special to me skincare routine with you guys. So I'm very excited, and let's just quickly begin. So first up, we all have a separate routine for morning and for night. Well, I have, because in the mornings I don't have time. I'm always late to my work, to my college, to my shoots. So I don't have a very intensive routine for morning. So we do like regular CTM and a few steps here and there, and that's it. So the morning face wash which I use is this one. This is by Oriflame. It is the Essentials Fairness Multi-Benefit Gel Wash. Now the reason why I use this particular face wash is because it is gel based. My skin is oily, so everything which is gel works for me, and this is really mild. So early in the morning you don't want to be harsh on your skin. You want to handle your skin in the morning with utmost care and like with soft hands. This is a really mild one. So I'm going to use this face wash first. Also, I'm done with my face wash, and I just quickly pat dry my face. You don't want to rub your face with a towel because you don't want wrinkles, right? So just pat dry your face like the way I'm doing. And yeah, so moving on, after the face wash, I use this cleansing oil to double cleanse my face. So the cleansing oil which I'm using is by Perrine. And this is really nice. It's a little on the expensive side, but it works really well. This is how the product looks like. So what I'm going to do is face wash ho chuka hai, so we don't have to do a lot on our face to clean it, but just to double check. So we're just going to take a little bit of it on my cotton pad, and I just will swipe it throughout my face. Yeah, that's it. So moving on to the next step. The next step is going to be a toner. Now I have tried a lot of toners all from different brands, but they kind of don't work for my skin. I get breakouts and stuff, but I have this toner. It's more like a facial mist, and this is by Body Gold. So this is the facial mist. It's 100% pure natural, and it has aloe vera and oud arabia, and it smells divine. So this is a facial mist, so you don't have to do anything, just spray it over like this. 3 sprays and you're good to go. The next product is going to be for the morning skincare routine is a moisturizer, and with this we end the morning skincare routine. So the moisturizer I was earlier using was by this brand Perrine. It's gel based, so it was working well, but and this is a little on the expensive side, so I have an alternate which is kind of affordable. This one is by Mamaearth, and it is their day cream. And guys, I absolutely love it. It was lying there in my vanity, but I didn't try it. But now, since I've tried it, I really like it. So just a pea-sized this much, and this works like literally. So you can of course do a lot of more steps in the morning skincare routine, but since I do like just this, because you don't want to look like a grease ball and go out for your work. So these are just like minimum steps which you should do, and I'm going to end this with a lip balm and nothing but just a little bit of hydration to your lips. And yeah, that's it. That is all I do in the mornings. So all the makeup, if I do for the day for the shoots, I do after I do this much of skincare. So I will see you guys later in the day when I come back from my work, and then I will show you my nighttime skincare routine. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so I am back from a really tiring work day, and let me just quickly show you my nighttime skincare routine. And before doing any of it, I need to tie my hair and get rid of my makeup. I'm just using a little bit of makeup, it's not too much. So yes, the makeup is off my face, and so yeah, it is now off, and now we'll just begin. And for that, the first thing which goes up is a face wash to double cleanse if the makeup is off. So in the night time, I'm using this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. So it is specially made for the night time, which is why we're using this in the night time. So So the face wash is done, and we will again use, okay, another alternative for the face wash we used earlier, which is this Estee Lauder one. It's a little on the expensive side too, so a cheaper alternative can be this one. This is the Pure Skin range face wash by Oriflame, and this is a really nice face wash because it's 2-in-1. It has face wash and a scrub. So in the night time you need something a little more, harsh, so that a face wash like this which has scrub in it, so pura din ka all the dirt and pollution and everything just comes off using a 2-in-1 face wash like this one. So it's a nice alternative for the Estee Lauder one if you're looking for a cheaper alternative. Next up, we're going to use this cleansing oil again. So yeah, again a little bit of it on the cotton swab. Now in the morning we use the toner, which is by Body Gold, which is this one. So I thought of giving you cheaper alternatives for all the products because they're a little on the high end side. So a nice alternative, and a rather really nice alternative for this Body Gold one will be this one. Now this retails for just 75 rupees, and this is their toning mist. So this is really nice. Nothing is better than gulab jal. I have this bottle as well, but this is more convenient because it's a spray bottle. So you just have to do what? Just spray 3 pumps and that's it, like this. Toning is done. Now the next step is going to be for the night time is apply a serum. I do not sleep without having a serum on my face, a face oil or a facial, serum. They work so good. And bursting a myth again, my skin is quite oily, but still serums and everything works so well for me. I have a range of serums with me. I have this one by Ilana Organics. Then I have one by Blue Nectar. I have one by Body Gold. Then I also have this one, the very famous Nagio Essentials face serum, because I'm a hoarder and every day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I use different serums for different days according to my mood. So today we'll be using this one. This is by Blue Nectar. It is a 26 vital herbs serum and it works amazing. Like I can't even, it works really, really amazing. So all the links to the products will be there in the description box if you're watching. Everything, all the links. So yes, I'm using a dropper to just this much. So yes, the serum is now done. So the best part about this serum especially is that it is not very, very oily. So it does just quickly absorbs in your skin, so you can't sleep like this without any hassle. Now moving ahead, serums work really well. Otherwise, when I'm running really late and I don't have time to just do all the steps, I use this night cream. This is also again an alternative for the serums. This is by Indus Valley. I got this in a PR, but oh my god, I got hooked to this product because it is so nice. This is by Indus Valley and it is their retexturing organic night cream. And it smells, I think I'm addicted to the smell more than the product, but yeah, it works really, really well. When you wake up the next morning and you've applied this, you glow, honey, you glow. So yeah, this is another alternative. Link to this product will also be there, but today simply we used serum. I'm not going to use this one, but it just works like a cream. How you apply a moisturizer, you apply this one as well. So ending the routine with a lip balm. And in the morning we use this one, which is by Estee Lauder. It's very expensive, so a cheaper alternative for this one is this Tender Balm. It is by Oriflame and it is really, really good. It is a coconut tender balm. I've used, like, the container is literally empty, so just going to take a little bit. Actually, don't take a little bit of lip balm when you're sleeping because you have to sleep, so take a generous amount of it and just. So yeah, that is it. And if you have time for your lip care, you can of course use a lip scrub. These days lip scrubs are really in, and they are every other brand is launching a lip scrub. So this is also by Bella Vita, and this is a really nice lip scrub. This looks like this, and I've used this quite a lot, but it requires like good 10 minutes to give a nice massage, and like for 10 minutes move it in a circular motion. But some days I don't have time, so I skip on this and use the lip balm instead, which is also fine. So if you have time, you can really invest in a nice lip scrub. So yeah, Okay, so the last and final product which we're using now, because we forgot in between all these steps, is the eye cream. Now an eye cream is a really important product, because you have to understand there's a difference between your skin under the eyes and your skin over here. This is quite soft, this is softer than here, so you need a mild product. So all the eye creams you will see will be really soft in texture, they won't be harsh at all. So this one is by Bella Vita. This is their eye lift eye cream. It's made of cucumber and aloe vera, and this is gel based, so it is really nice. I'm just going to take a little bit, like a really pea-sized amount, because you don't have a lot of area to cover. Just under the eyes where you put your concealer, that is where you have to put your eye cream, and take it above over here also and move it in a circular motion for like just 30 seconds. I think we're done with the intensive. You guys must have seen I do a lot of things. I spend like good 15-20 minutes minimum before hitting the bed, and I try to do it an hour before hitting my bed, because once I'm lazy I don't want to skip on such essential steps. So that is how I take care of my skin. And yeah, so that's it. That is where I end this video. I hope that this was very useful, and if you like this video, please hit like, share it with your friends, comment down below your views about my routine, if I should change something or add on something or anything else, just your views in general, and I would love to go through them. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.